How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be having another episode with you guys on parts for the G35. We finally got the white pipe, guys, for the G35. But I want to make a shout out to you guys first. For everyone who's subscribed to us, who's liked us, who's commented on my Instagram, I will link down below. Thank you guys for all the support. We have, I think, 15 subscribers now. And to be honest, we're making some great progress. There's the G35 and the Dodge Murata. This thing currently doesn't run right now. It is my stepfather's, but one day, hopefully, we can see this thing on the streets again. It's been a rough time. It's had a life, and we've been doing some amazing progress with it, guys. I think it's going to be amazing once he gets it off his ass and gets this thing going, but yeah, great car, good sound. I'm not sure what motor is in it, but the thing has power, guys. It's a great car. But yeah, let's get back to the video, guys. So we finally got the parts, guys, right here. I decided to go with ISR white pipe for the G35. I was going to go with the Megan Racing, but I didn't really like the sound of the raspiness, and I have another friend of mine who has a G35 as well, who went with the ISR, and they are a little bit more. I think it's like maybe, I don't know, $50 more. But we got the ISR white pipe, and we're gonna be doing the test pipes soon, guys. Soon. Not right now, because we're kind of on a budget at the moment, but soon we'll be doing the test pipes. Alright, guys, so let's get this unpackaged. So, I already checked it out. I think the welds and everything on this thing is amazing. It comes directly bolt on, guys. It is a direct bolt on. It already comes with new hardware. It gives you the hardware. It gives you the gaskets. There's 3 of them inside of there. I think it should be easy, guys. I mean, the old one is kind of beat up. The reason why we bought a new one. Plus, eventually I want to get this exhaust completely redone. And I haven't decided which one we're going to go with yet, but we'll figure it out soon. Guys, comment, like, and subscribe. If you guys are new to this channel, it really helps us. And it shows you guys more builds and DIYs to help you guys out. So I'm going to bring the car in to the garage today because it's been rainy outside. You know, it's wet right now. It's been raining. It actually started snowing yesterday for like a half an hour, but we've done this so many times with this car in the rain. I'm sick and tired of being drenched on the floor. So yeah, let's get this car pulled in here, and we'll go underneath and show you guys what the old one looks like. It is beat the fuck up. It is not the prettiest in the yard, but that's why we got that one. Alright, guys, so we are going to do a preview on the G35 of what it sounds like before. But be in mind, my exhaust is not completely stock, guys. We have a different, we have a muffler delete in the back, and yeah, that's it, guys. But, you know, with the hole and the damage that's done on the white pipe now, it is a lot louder. So we're going to do a clip of what it sounds like now compared to what it sounds like after we get it installed on the new white pipe. Alright, guys, so here's what it sounds like right now. Go ahead, babe.
1 sec, I'm a midget. I'm sorry, I'm not 6 foot.
Yeah, guys, she has a struggle driving a car because, you know, I'm 6'4". Go ahead and rev it a few times. It is quite loud going down the road. I've been told many different soundings this thing sounds like. Some guy told me it sounded like a Ferrari one time. I don't know, guys. I've never really been near a Ferrari. So comment down below and let me know, because I have no idea. We're gonna get this thing jacked up so we can start underneath, and I'll show you guys as much as I can because I really don't have a flashlight, or I do, but it's not the best quality. So we'll get underneath there and we'll show you guys how to do it. It is literally 6 bolts that come off, and you just pull the old one on. And like I said, guys, it's just a bolt on. It's not hard. It is not rocket science. I'll tell you that one. So if you guys can't do it, I don't know what the fuck to tell you. What?
Nothing?
Yeah! Jacking up the car! Woo! God damn, guys, I'm having trouble. Look, guys, this is what happens when your car is completely slammed to the ground. It raises the whole fucking end off the ground. So be careful when you guys jack this car up, or your own car, especially if you're slammed down to the bottom end as you can go, because my coilovers are bottomed out. I can't go any lower because my fat ass is bad enough being in the car. And my best friend, who we're both big guys, going down the freeway, not even potholes, and the car scrapes, guys. So just for a warning. Alright, guys, so we gotta break these bolts. This one right here, there's another one on the side. Same thing on that side. And then you come back here, you're gonna see those bolts. There's one right there, and there's one on the other side. And we just gotta break those bolts loose, and then this thing will come right out of here. I'm gonna use some WD-40 on these, and hopefully it'll help crack them loose a little bit better. So the tools you guys are gonna need for this to be done is, I literally just have a 1/2-inch wrench that we're gonna be using, my breaker bar, the flashlight so you guys can see, and a 14mm wrench to do from one side to the other. And I'm going to use some WD-40 to spray it down, and then we're going to use the breaker bar to break them loose, and then we'll finish them off with the 1/2-inch ratchet. Yes, I am, and I'd be very sad.
Oh. Is it towards me or towards you?
Towards you.
No, Jesus Christ.
And there she's down there, my love.
Man, I'm weak.
The wiggle. I got it.
Fat problems.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Right there. All the way down. I mean, it doesn't look very old. It doesn't. But it is beat up from us constantly, you know, driving it and putting this thing through hell. I'm gonna do the foot trick, guys. And if you guys are all wondering, she wanted to help me do this, guys. I usually do every modification by myself, and I'm usually leaving her out of this. So this time she asked me if she could help me work with this, so I decided to say, hey, would you like to do it? And she said, yeah. So she's wanting to put the new light pipe on because I did the last one on her Chevy Cruze, and she was very pissed off at me, guys.
Jesus! Fuck it, I'm kicking it. Move your hand.
Alright guys, so here is the old one I was telling you guys about. See how it scrapes right here? This is from right here. This is from being cambered and lowered, guys. This is from your coilovers being slammed out. It is damaged, it's destroyed. And if you come down here, this is what I was telling you guys about all the gases you guys will smell. It's because it's all coming out from right here instead of going completely down through the muffler and ending out at the exhaust pipes. So this is what you guys want to look out for. If you guys start smelling some funny smells with your car, especially as us low guy drivers who love to be slammed, who love the fitment, who love to be static, this is what happens, guys. And I'll show you guys what I love about the other one on the ISR white pipe, and I'll show you guys what is good and what is better. Alright guys, so the reason why I like the ISR and the other aftermarket white pipes is because if you look at this one, the flex pipes are right down here compared to these ones where they're up higher, so they won't rub as easy. You know, it'll scrape the metal for sure, but compared to this one and this one, I really like the setup they did. And you know, this one is a little bit more wider, but it says it's a DIY bolt up, so it should be easy. I don't think why we would see any problems with it, guys. So we're gonna do a favor for you guys, and we're gonna start the G35 without anything hooked up, guys. I'm curious myself to see what it's gonna sound like. So we'll fire it up, guys, and we'll see what it sounds like. I'm curious. You ready, Ben? Man, guys, this thing is fucking loud. Alright guys, so we were going to be installing the new hardware for the G35 right here, but since these ones are part of the stock catalytic converters, instead of us having down pipes, we're going to just bolt it right up with the old ones. We could use 2 of the new bolts for the back because those ones came off the old white pipe. So we're going to use the new gaskets, and then we're just going to bolt these 4 bolts up with the original because I do not know how.
When we take the cats off, we'll do another video.
Yeah, I don't know how to get these bolts off, guys, right here with these studs to the stock. I'm gonna help her load this up, and we're gonna put them on these new bolts these bolts right here, and then will be a lot easier for the back to get them on. So we're gonna get this started. Okay, so we got it all finished up. Unfortunately, I might have a small exhaust leak. I've tightened these bolts down as tight as they're gonna go, guys. I mean, it's really sad because the 2 bolts that are actually brand new that we could put on are the ones that are leaking in the back. If you guys have any idea, please comment down below. Help me out because it's the very back flange to the exhaust. I mean, maybe, you know, it's corroded on that part. I even got a wire brush and tried cleaning it. I even tried doing, you know, a few other things and made sure it was like, well, maybe the gasket's not completely on. No, it's on there, and I'm not sure why it's leaking, so let me show you guys what I'm talking about. You guys can see it's dripping. And I'm not sure why. I mean, I said I tightened those bolts down as tight as I can go. They're not getting any tighter. These ones are not leaking. These ones are good up here. That one's good. The one on that side is good. So, see, hey guys, that one over there is good. Someone's did, but for some reason, this one back here is just dripping. Maybe it's normal, I mean condensation, because it's new, but like I said, guys, help me out and let me know, because I mean it sounds okay. I mean the car is definitely a lot quieter than I was expecting. I'm missing the old sound now, you know. It sounded a lot better. I mean, was a lot louder because of the exhaust leak, and you know, this one being destroyed, and you know, right here on these parts were broken, and then, you know, look at that, guys. Look at all that fucking scrapes. This is from the old one. So hopefully the new one is a lot better. I mean, we're going to get test pipes on here, guys. I have to get test pipes. I miss how loud this car was. It was so amazing. I used to get so many compliments, and now I'm afraid we're not going to get anything because of how quiet it is now. Alright, guys. So here we go. We are going to do a test run in the G35. God, guys, it drives a lot better. Damn, guys, she is some power. She has some power. So this is very hard, guys, to record to you guys and shift at the same time, for fuck's sake. I'm not sure how dark it is in here, guys, but yeah. Maybe I'll show you guys the trick of how to make your car backfire or pop while driving down the road. It's very easy, actually. Here, we'll do it real quick. So all you gotta do is turn your car off, but don't turn it off 3 times. And ready? And guys, it's a lot deeper in tone. It's not raspy at all. It's really deep, but it is definitely a lot quieter than it used to be. This thing used to be loud going down the road, and it is very, very disappointing. Alright, guys, so we're going to wrap up this video today. If you guys enjoyed it, please do us a favor. Like, comment, subscribe. It really helps us out. This is my stepfather who owns the Murata I was telling you guys about. He's kind of half asleep. But like I said, guys, please help us out. Do us the best you guys can. We are going to make more content as much as we can as we go. So please stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.